Yo guys, what's up? Back on some Mobile Cat episode 6. Yeah. Okay, so today we are only gonna be using. Oh wait, most recent games will be down. Oh yeah, I just upgraded the thing. Okay, so today we are gonna be playing default cats, the only default cats. So we're gonna upgrade the default cats. First thing, wait a minute, I'm turning it down. Okay, so we're gonna be upgrading the default cats. First thing, so yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay, so, let's get a red cat. Try round. See what we get. And, oh my goodness. Wait, change to XP. Actually, yeah, guys, I got an idea. I can change stuff to XP. I just noticed that, so yeah. Let's get these stuff and let's see if we can change them into XP. If we got the same ones, yeah, I'll change them into XP. Oh, we haven't got this one, okay. I want to change that into XP. Lizard cat. Let's see next one we got then. We got that one. So, yeah, let's change into XP. Oh, wait. Yes, there we go. And health. Yeah, okay. Base defense, okay. So health, okay. So we're gonna go to storage, and so everything exchange for XP. No, I didn't mean to use that. Wait. What is it? Exchange XP. Okay, so last episode, guys, we got 20,000 XP. So yeah, today we are gonna be using default cat. So I'm just gonna upgrade the cat from the cat. Oh my goodness, macho cat. Oh my goodness. Wait, does that mean can't I upgrade? Let me get it. Special cats. Can't I upgrade? Oh, that's okay, that is not kid friendly at that, so I'm not gonna show that what that was. Let's upgrade. We don't really need Gross Cat. Let's upgrade Axe Cat. Oh, we can't upgrade it. Okay. No, we should be okay. So that's okay. Macho Cat. Okay, let me see if he's equipped. Wait. Okay, so we only be using defaults today, guys. So let me upgrade the actual base one. Can I upgrade anything? Okay, we're gonna need to upgrade. Oh, we can't. Range. Let's upgrade the. We can't. Charge. No. Okay, let's. Oh, can't. Okay, can't upgrade anything. So yeah, let's go, guys. Okay, only default. So yeah, this might be hard, but oh yeah, well. Dude, oh, and sand. Okay, so this shouldn't be too hard. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta be joking straight away. Okay, I'm gonna be nice. We can only use one of the special cats, so yeah. These cats are actually quite strong. I might have to. These cats are actually quite strong. We're just attacking as default cats. Actually, we're allowed to use it. Okay, so our health is 10,000, so it shouldn't be too hard. So yeah, okay. So okay, fire! Doing good so far. So far, so good. Yeah. Okay, so far so good. So just gonna keep on using this. These cats are very cheap as well, so I can upgrade now. This is actually getting quite easy. We're just gonna keep on after attacking. Yes, let's go. Oh, I really need the other cats, but I can't. Look how much money I got. Oh my god. I have got so much money. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. We are attacking. I actually think we might win this. Default cat's actually quite good. This is only default cats. Okay, I'm going to be nice to myself. I'm only going to pick one other than default cat. And that is going to be a cheap one. It's going to be this cat. That's all. Okay. So yeah. Look how much money we've got. We're up to max. Look how much money I have. We're just attacking. Oh my goodness. They're getting wrecked. Oh my goodness. Well, this wouldn't really be default. Oh, the hippo's out quick. Oh no, I did not mean to buy him. Oh my god. I did not mean to do that. Guys, because of that, I am not gonna spawn cats for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Okay, there you go. I'm spamming. But look how much money I have. I can literally... we're attacking. Okay, yeah, that's it then. Victory!